Hey there, beautiful people. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my real life morning routine with a toddler and a baby. So without any further ado, let's get it. So usually my morning starts around 5, 6. It all depends on when Tristan wakes up because he's pretty much my alarm. So what I'll do, I'll start my morning off by putting him in the bed to nurse him, and then I'll say my prayers, and then I'll read my devotion. Right now I'm reading 100 Days to Brave by Annie Downs, which is my absolute favorite. You guys know I post this on Instagram all the time. And then I just continue to nurse him while I'm reading that. So after I'm done nursing, I will try to sneak out of the bed so I can have some time to myself in the morning before I have to, get my day started with them. So I'll leave him in the bed, but of course I move the pillows and the blankets just to make sure, nothing's covering him and he stays, nice and cool. So after I'm done dealing with him, then I move to take care of myself. So I usually, of course, brush my teeth, use the bathroom, wash my face, get myself ready for the morning. And if I'm lucky enough and I have time, I can squeeze in a workout. Yes. Moms, y'all know when y'all got kids, you pretty much operate on their time. So when you have time to get other things in, that's a blessing. So I don't take those moments for granted. Okay. All right. So like I said, if I'm lucky enough, I can get a workout in. But y'all, let's talk about this stomach though. Like, it is gone down, honey. Ooh-wee. Because I'm about to be 30 and my goal is to be back in my pregnancy weight and to lose this belly by then. So I can say I'm making great progress. But yes, I do at-home workouts. So I do workouts that work, that are quiet, so I'm not making a lot of noise, and that helps me to keep my weight down and also to lose my belly. And it seems to be working for me. And I got to make sure I do my planks because that's really been helping out for me. So moms, if y'all trying to lose your belly, do some planks, honey, okay? But after I'm done with my workout, y'all, I'm tired and I'm done for. So I will get, I'll do 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll go to the bathroom, freshen up, take care of myself. And then if I'm still lucky enough and the kids are still sleeping, then I get to have a moment to relax and still be by myself, okay? So what I like to do is go to the kitchen. I like to open the blinds because I love the natural lighting that comes into my house. Even though my house doesn't have the best lighting, I still like to save electricity. So I know some people are coffee drinkers in the morning, but me, I love tea. I love nursing teas. I love chamomile teas, lavender teas, relaxed teas. I just love tea. So I'm glad that I have my Teami relaxed teas because it does help me to stay calm and relax, and especially when I have a moment to myself just to clear my mind and while the kids are sleeping or napping. I just love it. It contains natural ingredients. There's no caffeine, and it's also safe for breastfeeding moms. They do have a nursing one, which I do plan on trying. So I just love this tea, and you're more than welcome to use my code down below for 15% off of your own Teami Blends, and you will not be disappointed. So once the kids are up, my morning to myself is done for. I can't do any more work, no more editing or anything because my attention goes to them 100%. So of course I clean them up, brush your teeth, feed them breakfast, do schoolwork. The morning routine just doesn't stop. But I'm just thankful that they live to see another day, and that I just love cuddling with them early in the morning and just showing how much I love them. So that is my routine, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.